Crickets chirping in the sun in my little garden of Eden. Birds chirping in the trees. I can show everyone my little garden of Eden. Do you hear the birds chirping in the trees? They're singing, it's just so heavenly. I can share with everyone my little garden of Eden, chirping in the sun. My little garden of Eden. The deer, they're everywhere. They know God's love and how He truly cares. Look at the birds flying in the sky, so heavenly. I don't know why my little garden of Eden, crickets chirping in the sun, in my little garden of Eden.